Okay, I'm there. And this is like a little small JakeOfALL video, but not trying to trigger anybody, but I want to talk to you about something. And it actually has to do with something like this. But let me show you something, right? This is my issue with my daughter is being a weirdo. Okay, so this is my issue with the toolbox scene right now, right? Craftsman just came out with a new trade stack, right? Craftsman sort of has the DeWalt crossover with the T-Stack. They do the Versastack. Okay, two systems, but check this out. Check this out. Okay, so we have the Versastack, we have the trade stack, and we have this thing, right? Can you see this? Okay, so this guy is just some generic 3-piece, opens up, not compatible. But then they do stuff like this, and you can get the socket set in a T-Stack Versastack setup. These are T-Stack Versastack setup compatible, which is super awesome. It's so awesome, right, that you can come over here and you can get a ton of these accessories that are this T-Stack Versastack compatible thing. Like, this one might even be, no, that one's not, but those are. I've used them, right? This can clip into here. That can clip into the big one. They can clip into that. And then they can link to those big ones, right? And then, watch this. They work with these, right? Again, DeWalt, and this is the T-Stack compatible stuff, okay? Okay, this is just Craftsman and DeWalt right now that I'm talking about. So there it is. There's T-Stack Versastack compatible. These connect to these. Here's the bottom unit. You have clear organizers. You have sort of small, medium. You have drawers. But then you have this random thing. Those little junky random things with the Craftsman, right? Because they have a sticker on it. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 systems that are just Craftsman, and that doesn't even count. And that doesn't even count if you consider DeWalt, right, and Tough System. But you know, I'm pretty much talking the T-Stack Versastack, right, is 1, and then the new trade stack, which is 2, then that random tall one, and then this random one is 3. The random tall one's 3, and that one over there is 4. The one next to it, that's tiny up there, is 5. So Craftsman has 5 different boxes right there. Now, the little ones don't interlock with each other, but I'm just trying to show this. Now, Milwaukee did have the job site organizer before the PACKOUT system, but that's it. All the PACKOUT system stuff works with each other. They haven't changed it. They haven't released a new version. And unlike Craftsman, right? So this is the T-Stack Versastack style. And then here's the trade stack, which from what I understand and what I've played with here is easier to link together, but they're not committing to one system. And not only are they not committing, they don't give up on the other one. Like, look at this drawer. This drawer is nice, but you can't get the old system to link to this system. And yes, I agree, you cannot do that. What's up? You can't do that on the old job site organizers unless you get a hold of Kaizen Foam. He has some kits to do that. And that actually can be done. These weird hingy ones are really hard to do. And then, but check this out. There's more, right? There's another one that says Craftsman on it. There's another one that says Craftsman. None of it is compatible. There's like 7 different Craftsman setups. Okay, and there's like 8, right? So socket set from Craftsman has side interlinking latches here. Now, when I saw this, I did want to take the opportunity to say, yes, I do recognize that Milwaukee Tools, when you buy one of their impacts and things like that, and you don't buy it in the cardboard box, that it does have a case that doesn't link to anything. And in Europe, Milwaukee Tool does have another interlocking system. So I guess you could say Milwaukee does have 3 systems, right? They have the job site organizer, the PACKOUT, and then whatever the European is. And then I guess you could count the individual boxes. But we're not talking about individual boxes that come with tools, right? We're talking about tools that are in boxes that link together, toolbox systems that this company has. And there's another one, right? good mechanics, okay mechanics set, $99, not bad. It locks into each other. Boom, right? Oh, look, more trade stack. So, yeah, let's move on. And now you enter in other people like Cobalt, Flex. At least it seems like since they came out from scratch, everything is working together. But there is a Cobalt system over here. And the Cobalt system looks good. Where is it? It's hiding. It looks strong, but this is the worst latch that I've ever seen. They're doing this little intermediate latch so you can have smaller boxes, which is nice. PACKOUT just slides in. It's a good price. It doesn't look weak. But how many different organizers do we need? And are you going to sell everything that you have because a new one comes out that works better? So, came here for a little bit of weehaw, and I wanted to see what accessories that the stores had for this guy, which I'm not going to say who it looks like, but you'll see the review video coming out soon. Not going to say who this looks like. Okay, I am. Packible tool cord Cobra. That is an obvious ripoff. 100% obvious. Like, they're not even joking around. And then there is a 100% ripoff level lizard. So I'm going to show more on the Flex thing, but I really wanted to just talk about the fact that if you're going to design a toolbox system and you're going to make a ton of sweet accessories like these bit cases, either make adapter plates or keep it one type of latching. So I hope you like this little one. Let me know in the comments what you think about these different storage systems and which ones you have. They obviously all have pluses and minuses, but if you buy a storage system that's going to last forever, it doesn't really matter, right? If other people don't like it, if it's strong and durable and it works for you, it's really all that matters. So comment below, have a good time. See you in the next one.